Discover the secrets of credit reports and their impact on your financial future. A credit report is a comprehensive record of an individual's credit history. Credit reports consist of 5 main sections: personal information, credit accounts, credit inquiries, public records, and collections. Personal information verifies your identity through details like name, address, social security number, and employment history. Credit accounts detail your open and closed accounts, credit limits, balances, and payment history. Credit inquiries include hard inquiries from credit applications and soft inquiries from pre-approved offers. Public records, such as bankruptcies, legal judgments, and tax liens, can affect your credit report. Collections reflect unpaid debts sent to collection agencies, potentially damaging your credit score. Credit reports are used to calculate credit scores, numerical representations of your creditworthiness. Payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit impact your credit score. Follow best practices for responsible credit management and improving your credit scores. Understand and monitor your credit report to unlock your financial potential.